Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to use those pens, how to use and what colors they are, the comparison in colors. This is a Kiko long lasting eyeshadow stick. This is how it looks and I'm gonna compare it. So continue. The shade I'm going to use is 07. It's not the lightest shade, but it's more like a champagne color, 07. So I'm going to open it, and this is like a thick stick. This is how much you've got inside. A lot of product, because I've been using it a bit. So before that, you need to use a base because you need to have a clean canvas. So I'm going to use this Makeup Forever concealer as a base. More efficient, I'm going to use two different shades on my eyelids. So right now I'm going to compare two shades, which is 07 and 47. They're quite similar, but this 47 is a bit darker. So let's start with 07 that I have used already, a concealer, Makeup Forever, in color 2.4. This one. And let's start with 07. So I'm just taking out a little bit and spreading it all over my lid. A little close up. So I'm just doing a second layer like that. I personally prefer to set it, but yeah, blend the edges for number 47 on my other eye. But this one, you can see how beautiful it looks. I prefer to set it because it is quite creamy, and it says it's 8-hour no transfer, but it's not truth. Like, it does really like go out and it goes to my crease, because this skin sagging a lot more than here, and here I can always see this product just goes there. So let's use this is a warmer tone. A little more, you can see the difference. Again, I'm taking a brush and just blending the edges before it's dry. I see the glitter here a lot more. This one is more softer, and here there is more glitter in it. This is so much more softer. I didn't even know myself. So now you can see and compare. This is number 47 and this one is 07. Those pencils can definitely help you to get the most color that you want. If you are using the eyeshadow that you want it to pop, it's easier to use it with a pen or with a base. There are a lot of different products, but this one I find very easy to use because it looks, and you can use it as a pen. It doesn't have a lot of product in it, but then how much do you need, you know? So now I'm going to remove the product from my eyelids to show you other colors. I guess my eye is going to hurt a bit, but everything for the video. So let's continue and try those shades, which is 55 and is it 90 or 06? I think it's 90. So this one is a darker shade. When it's darker, it goes higher numbers. So I guess this one is 90. So let's try this 55 first. Again, I need to use a concealer to prime my eye. If I don't prime it, then this product, I tried it, it doesn't really move. doesn't move on your eyelids, and then it's creasing so fast. So if you want to use it by itself, I do not recommend it. I wanted to do this video for such a long time, but I was just procrastinating it, and I was just like, maybe next time, it's gonna take such a long time, but here I am, I'm doing it, thank God. Like okay, this is number 55, and for you to see the shade, more into gold. Like I think it's like a copper color. Again, I'm taking a brush to blend the edges. This shade looks beautiful. What do you think? I think it looks good. So number 55 is done. This is like, I think it's like a copper color. Beautiful copper. And now I'm going to go with a number 90. This is a darker shade. Here it is. And let's do it. Soft gray, I would say. Again, we can do it at the bottom. I recommend blending it right away, otherwise it will dry out. Yeah, just like that. You see the edges when the edges are clean. The whole thing. Okay, and now the fun part. This is number 56 and 58, a red and lavender color. So let's start with red on the right eye. It's more like a copper as well, like a very bright copper with red. Taking a big blending brush and just blending it. To add a little bit more pigment to it, you can just go over it with the same. Shade I'm going to use lavender. This is number 58. Very soft, very beautiful shade. Because of my hair, most probably this one looks better on me, but this one is just so beautiful. I was blunt when I bought it, and now it's like, wow, it looks so cool. And yeah, those shades are, lavender is 58 and 56 is the red shade. Hey guys, it's time to go darker, and here are the shades I'm going to use. And here is 04, and this one is 39. This one is more of a brown shade, and this one is more of a gray shade. So 39 gray and brown is 04. Start with 04, which is more of a brown shimmery shade with a gold shimmer. Here it is. Just going to apply it all over my lid. Don't forget to blend. Since this one is dark, you have to be really careful to blend it. Go ahead with this 39. It doesn't seem it has any shimmer in it. Yeah, it's more of a matte shade to create like a smoky look, depending on what kind of shade you want. It's super easy. You don't have to, you know, go with a darker shade of your eyeshadow, and then you never get this color, you know. So just go with the base first, and then go with the eyeshadow. So that will definitely work so much faster and better. One more of a warmer tone, and it has some gold shimmer in it. This one more of cold and grayish tone. So I zoom in. Here you can see the shimmer, and this is 04, and this one is 39. They both look great, just depending what are you going, what are you doing, what your skin tone. And now I'm going to show you another Makeup Forever stick. They have different sticks, but I wanted to get just one because I couldn't find it in Kiko, and I got it from Makeup Forever. And unfortunately the girl in the store, I hope by mistake, she put something different to my, she put a different color. She put a cinder instead of cacao. It looks the same, but it's not. Cinder has a shimmer, this one doesn't, and I wanted something without shimmer. But anyway, I'm going to compare it for you to see the difference. And yeah, this quality of product, Makeup Forever, is of course much better. It's more pigmented, it's more long lasting. It does say it's water resistant, and it is Aqua Resist Smoky Eyeshadow. So this one is Cinder, almost not used. This is the pointy pen, and I'm going to apply it on my right eye. Like, it's a more creamy feel. I mean, right now, since I've been using so many pens on my eyes and it's quite disturbed, I feel that this one is like more like a creamy. That one is a creamy as well, but this one just feels smoother. I'm gonna blend the edges right away. Here you are. It's still a nice shade, but just didn't want this shade. I wanted a different one. It's Cocoa color, which is number 2. Yeah, you see, it's a different shade. Like, it's not as pigmented. I mean, it just looks more natural, you know. It has no shimmer in it. See the difference? This one has a shimmer and this one doesn't. See, this one looks more natural kind of vibe, like it's supposed to be there. This one is more like a screaming version of gray. Anyway, which one do you like the most? So this one is Cacao number 2 and Cacao number 2, and this one is 13 Cinder. Cacao number 2. Here it is. And this one is Cinder 13. It's a nice shade too, of course. I do have another shade from Kiko, which is black, but I'm not gonna try it and use it. I'm gonna just swatch it on my hand. I'll show you. So this is the black shade, which is number 2. See, anyway, this is black. This is Cinder. This one is Cocoa number 2. You see the difference, right? This one is 39 Kiko. It's quite similar to these shades in Makeup Forever, but just deeper. It's 04 and I think 06. This is 04. It's brown with golden shimmer. This one is 06. So far on my eyelids, I really liked this one. It's 55. More like gold copper shade. Red. Color 56. This one is 47. And this one is the lightest that I have. They have lighter one, of course. This one is 07. Those are the shades that I have just showed you. Those ones are Makeup Forever ones. This one is all Kiko. 07, I think 58, 47, 55. That's all I remember. Thank you for watching, guys. This is it. I've just finished my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe and comment on my channel. Would love to know which is your favorite shade. Did you use Kiko before, and do you know how to use those sticks or not? Because I know a lot of people just don't know how to use it and how to set it, because you need to set it with eyeshadows. Anyway, if you have any questions, just let me know. I really appreciate if you comment and give me a like, because it won't take anything from you, but it will give me motivation to do more videos for you guys. And thank you. See you in another video.